Today we have an amazing lifetime deal from AppSumo on a tool that called the Only Sheets 2.0. This tool allows you to sell the spreadsheets online without needing a website, which means you can start making money from your knowledge or data templates quickly and easily. You can create useful spreadsheets, planners, calculators, or any kind of digital tools in Excel or Google Sheets. Only Sheets 2.0 makes it simple to sell them directly to your audience. And because it's a lifetime deal on AppSumo, you pay once and you can use it forever without worrying about the monthly fees. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grab the best deals and the discounts online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get the discounted offers. And you don't need to use any coupon or code because when you use the link from description, the AppSumo discount will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about the Only Sheet 2.0. This tool is designed for creators who want to sell their spreadsheets without setting up a full website or complicated e-commerce system. Normally, selling digital products online can be tricky. You need the payment process, delivery systems, and website hosting. Only Sheets 2.0 handles all of that for you. You just upload your spreadsheet, you can set your price, and the platform takes care all of the rest work. Buyers can instantly download their purchase and you get paid automatically. One of the best thing about Only Sheets 2.0 is that it's simplicity. You don't need any technical skills or coding knowledge or website experience. The dashboard is easy to use, beginner friendly, and you can see all of your sales. You can manage your spreadsheets and you can track the earning in one place. This makes selling digital products fast and stress-free. Another big advantage is marketing and the distribution. Only Sheets 2.0 lets you create a public page for your spreadsheet where the potential buyers can preview and learn about your product. And from that, your viewers can buy them. You can also share your page on social media, in newsletters, or with your existing audience. Everything is optimized for selling, so if you are new to online business, you can start generating sales quickly. This tool also supports the multiple spreadsheet formats and allows the updates. If you improve your spreadsheet or add a new versions, you can upload the updated file and buyers can get the access. So this is very useful for the creators who continuously improve their templates and want to keep customers satisfied. The lifetime deal from AppSumo makes this tool even more valuable. Normally, platforms that allow the digital product sales, they can charge a monthly fees or they take high commissions. But here you can pay once and you can sell unlimited spreadsheets forever. This is perfect for beginners, freelancers, or anyone who wants to monetize their skills without extra cost. So if you want to sell your spreadsheets easily, you can reach your buyers without a website and make money from your knowledge by using the Sheets 2.0. And this is a tool you should definitely try. So make sure to use the link from description to get the lifetime deal before it's gone. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.